automation or Ansible, I will explain a little bit for beginner. Okay, and I'm not going to explain theoretical or terminology. I'm trying to explain that you understand. You know how to create a file, right? Touch file. This is the way you create a file. Now we can see a list file. We can see file is created, and this is our path is here. I can also create a file this way: touch home main this one, and let's say file 1 L. You can see here is file and file 1 here, two files. Okay, so when we create a file, we create a file in the same directory. All right, now the question is that we are working in a machine and it is manually we are working. We are creating one file in one machine. If we want to create one file in 2 machines, 3 machines, or 10 machines, or 30 machines, or many machines, this is what Ansible has to do, automation. One command or one file or one script, it will help to create a file in many machines. This is the basic concept. Okay, now I need multiple machine. I have this machine and I can check IP address of this machine. This my computer IP address is, you see here inet, this is the IP address. In another video I will explain networking. Right now just understand that every machine, every device has one unique IP address. This is I need multiple machine, right, to do this automation. So I will check if I have live machine connected with my laptop. Nmap SNS. Okay, you do not need to understand this command. I am just showing that how to do. You do not need this now. 0 Nmap NS non-available engine 97. Okay, here it was 97. Map wait, this is oof. This is okay. Nmap by not nmap nmap SSN and then the IP address. Okay, not this. Okay, command not found. Command not found means here. Okay, I am running this command to check IP address. Okay, here try to see that I'm running this command and it is saying that I have IP address. This IP address is active. Okay, the IP address is in Oracle VirtualBox 89. So I have VirtualBox, maybe this one. I have to run. I have to wait. Machine is running. I will check. VirtualBox. This is restart. Reset. Okay, it will take some time. So I have one IP address, only this one I can use to show you how automation works. But I need another machine that will be much better. So it is opening. Okay, let me see now. Run this command. This command, which is running. This is what to watch. Still I don't see multiple machine. So only one virtual box is live. So I need two virtual box. This is 1, 6. I have to see the raw video. How much time it takes. Right. IP. So this is 89 is on. And okay, this machine is dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You cannot say I'm just trying to run virtual box. Okay, it is to restart. This machine need to restart, reset, reset. Now it is booting. Yes, it is booting. It should work. Yes, now I clear the screen and I run this and check. So you see Oracle VirtualBox, okay, and IP address is 10.219.54.89, and here Oracle VirtualBox IP address is 10.219.55.125. all right. So what I'm going to do, I need this IP. Check this IP if it is alive or not. .219.54.89. It is pinging. It is alive. So 125 is pinging. So I have two IP address, means two machine. One machine is one host. Okay. Multiple machine is host. More than one machine or node is, we say, host. Alright, this is your to understand. It means we need machine and live pinging. Alright, now what we have to do, this is the basic thing you need. You need one machine from where you will work, and you need multiple machine destination. Okay, and we have already found two IP addresses alive. Now I'm going to create a file. Okay. Minus I'm going to delete this. You know how to create a file. Touch file name, any file, inventory. Here you have to use file name inventory, touch. Okay, now nano inventory, and this syntax web, and here type the IP address. The IP address we need to use. The IP address is 10 dot. I forgot the IP address. 10 dot 155.89. This is one IP address, and the IP address is 125. This is our IP address. We need this two IP address, and we say this is host. Now you can ask, what is this? This is just syntax. Okay, this is just syntax. I am writing a word with. You can write any word here, is fine. And this is our host. Host list of machines or nodes or hosts, right? So here we have two IP address. We can have 1,000 and 1,000 IP addresses. How to save this? You know this, how to save? Flex. This is done. This is first part of this, that to do the Ansible, we need live IP address. Okay, and that IP should be pingable, that we can reach. Now I want to show another part here, that this is the machine we want to work. Okay, this is machine looks same. It looks like same, but we have different IP. This is the IP A. You see here is the IP address, this machine IP address. If you can find, this is IP address. Okay, so here it shows IP address 97, and this machine IP address, this is also 97. This is wrong. So we need to check machine IP address, clear. Okay, exit SSH machine at the rate of one, two, three, four, five, 6. Now IP here. This is 89 IP address, this machine. Okay, this machine IP address. Okay, I lost one machine. So another machine, SSH machine. That is, I need 125 machine, right? 125. Now here IPA. You see here IP address 125. I'm going to access to the sudo iso 1 2 3 4 5 6 cd ls cd test. Okay, I want to be here in the root folder. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and cd test. Okay, it looks same, but IP address, look here, IP address 89. This machine IP address 89, and this machine IP address 125. And here we are going to create file from our machine. Okay, here is nothing here now. Okay, this is first part of Ansible.